What a trading has got to do with the Sabbath. What a trading has got to do with the Sabbath. So you may say to me, George, I'm a Muslim, I'm a Christian, I'm a Hindu, I'm not a Jew, and I do not care about the Sabbath, and I don't want to know what trading has got to do with the Sabbath. But before you run away or switch off, I would like to encourage you to stay with me for the next 10 minutes, and I will share with you some of my experience talking about what trading has got to do with the Sabbath. All right. So when I start trading first, my friend, and I trade almost every day. And sometimes I will sit on my computer from the time London is open until the time New York is closed. All right, it's a lonely life, it's a miserable life, and in fact, all I was doing, I was just losing. But most importantly, on Fridays, I usually stay on the computer until the market is closed. And one particular day, as the market was closed, I look at the chart and I notice that, in fact, nothing has happened that day. And in fact, I waste my whole day for no reason, no valid reason. One more thing I want to say to you before I continue with my experience, sharing my experience with you, is that if you look on this chart here, we are looking at Russell 1000 index, all right? So you can see that on Friday, all right, Friday the 15th of July 2016, it's a Friday, you can see that the price went down from 1201, all right, 1201, and it just went up to this level here, 1207. Not much has happened on Fridays. So talking about the Sabbath, what trading has got to do with the Sabbath. Sabbath is a special day in a Jewish calendar, the seventh day, which is usually from the evening on Friday to the evening on Saturday. So most of the Jews will, stop all the activity as soon as the sun sets on Friday. So you may say to me, John, keep the long story short. To keep the long story short, my friend, is this. In the financial market, all right, there are many, market participants that are Jewish. In fact, I can share with you now that the big financial, investors, the most influential market participants are Jews, all right? Whether you like the Jews or not, whether you are Christian, Hindu, or whatever you are, you want to know who are the market participants, who are the most influential market participants, and the Jews are the most influential market participants. So on Friday, what usually takes place, those market participants, will clear their desk by the time by 12 o'clock. They clear their desk and they are preparing for the Sabbath, because the Sabbath will start when the sun sets on Friday until the sun sets on Saturday. So usually on Friday, there's no much to do. In fact, I can recommend to TST traders to avoid trading, in fact, on Friday. So if you want to day trade or place a swing trade on Friday, which is completely stupid. In fact, if you want to swing trade and you are placing your swing trade on Friday, I can assure you that it's in fact very stupid to place a swing trade on Fridays. All right, I will talk about that in another video. So what you need to do, if you want to trade on Friday, trade only the London session. So you want to trade, London is open, you trade the first 2 hours or so, you go away, New York is open, you want to trade only the first hour or so, that's it, and you run away, because the Sabbath will influence the financial market. As you can see, there's not much on Friday. You can see here, from 1201, it went up to 1207, 5 pips, all right? I want to show you another one here, the NASDAQ 100, all right? The NASDAQ 100 index, you will see that not much has happened here again, all right? So it's a low volatility market, and you will see that the price will not go anywhere. But I can assure you that many traders very often they waste a lot of money on Friday because they are not aware about the effects that the Sabbath preparation may have on the financial market. Recently, I have recorded a video when I was telling traders what trading has got to do with Ramadan, and I posted that video at the Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, because we want to concentrate on market participants, and the religious festival will affect trading activity, and you want to be aware of it so you may make smart trading or investment decision. I will be recording another video when I will be talking about what trading has got to do with Diwali. Diwali is Diwali, all right, is an Indian celebration that usually take place in October, and it will influence the gold market. So the takeaway today is that on Friday it's better to trade only the London session, all right, or the first hour when New York is open, because of the preparation for the Sabbath. The Jews, our friend Jews that are preparing for the Sabbath that will start from the sunset on Friday until the sunset on Saturday, will start clearing their desks. And those are major market participants, and they will influence the market. And you may not see too much volatility, and you may not see too much going on. In fact, you can take Friday off like the Jews and relax, all right, and avoid wasting your money when nothing else is happening. Because very often the market may be consolidating and not much will take place, and people will just spend the whole Friday sitting on their desk doing all sorts of things. And one thing also I need to mention to traders, as I was telling you before, that in my own experience, and sometimes I will sit on my desk until the New York is closed on Friday, and then I will wait until the forest also is closed at 10 p.m. London time. And the feeling is so horrible because you just sit down, and you are expecting the price to move. You may see some beautiful trading setup, and nothing is taking place. Another thing that I'm very, very careful about, very often I see traders will join the TSTW24 trading team on Friday. And I worry that those people may start using the TSTW24 on Friday when nothing, in fact, is taking place. The market is consolidating, there is a low volatility, and the price is not going anywhere, and people are placing trade, and they are playing straight trade because nothing is happening. At the end of the day, they will lose because they are not paying attention to other market participants. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be busy recording another video, to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about what trading has got to do with the Sabbath. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.